Before we continue on with our reading, we're going to review the questions in the margin on the left side so that we know what we need to answer while reading. Number 5. Circle the names of the first 2 Kush rulers of Egypt. So you are going to drag the red circles over the 2 Kush rulers in the reading. Number 6. How did learning to make iron help the Kushites? And type your answer in the blue text box. Number 7. Name 2 items that helped Meroe become an iron-making center. And type your answer in the blue text box. Now continuing with our reading. They adopted Egyptian hieroglyphics to their own language and created an alphabet. So from Egypt, Nubia adopted religion, metalworking, and hieroglyphics. The Kushite Kingdom. By 850 BC, the Nubians had formed the Kingdom of Kush. Powerful Kushite kings ruled for the next few centuries. Their capital was the city of Napata. It was located along the upper part of the Nile River. Trade caravans carried gold, ivory, valuable woods, and other goods from Central Africa to Kush and then on to Egypt. In time, Kush became strong enough to stand up to Egypt. About 750 BC, a Kushite king named Kashta headed north. He began the conquest of Egypt. After Kashta died, his son Plai completed the conquest in 728 BC. He ruled both Egypt and Kush from the city of Napata. Even though the Kushites had become the rulers, the people continued to have a high opinion of Egyptian culture. The kings of Kush built temples and monuments similar to those built by the Egyptians. The people of Kush built many small pyramids in which to bury their kings. They also continued to believe in Egyptian gods. The 2 Kushite kings, Kashta, led Kushites north and began to conquer Egypt. Pi completed the conquest and ruled Egypt and Kush from Napata. Kush's rule over Egypt was short. In 671 BC, the Assyrians invaded Egypt. They drove the Kushites back to their homeland. The Kushites, however, gained something from the Assyrians, the secret to making iron. The Kushites became the first Africans to make iron. Soon, farmers in Kush could use iron to make stronger plows. With better tools, they could grow more crops. Kush's warriors also began using iron spears and swords.